Hey guys, hope everyone is well. Welcome to my cooking vlog. In this vlog, I am going to cook a leafy vegetables. This is known to different names in different regions of the country, but regardless of the name, it's pretty beautiful to look at and as well as nutritious also. This is a very simple recipe, but here I am going to mention this recipe. I have taken this recipe only because of the reason that when we go to the mandi to buy vegetables, we generally used to buy those vegetables which we have habit of already buying or where we are used to, right? But there are lots of green vegetables which we generally ignore at the time of buying, right? Though most of the people do not like to eat these vegetables, there are various reasons, because it's very laborious to wash them, right? But believe me, try once, at least twice in 2 weeks. It's necessary to eat leafy vegetables, right? This I'm not telling about only these particular leafy vegetables. There are lots of leafy vegetables which are abound in nutrition, right? So try to buy them and at least try to use once in 2 weeks, right? This is called Maricha in Assam, and in other parts of the country it is known as various names, right? I will cut them in thin pieces, right? And along with them I will add potato as well. I have taken one small potato here. I have cut the potatoes into very thin slices because these leaves actually cooked very easily, right? So if you make the potato pieces bigger, then it will take time, right? And if you still want to keep it big pieces, then fry the potatoes first, and when it is half cooked already, then you can add these leafy vegetables. Meanwhile, I have heated a karai. I have used here mustard oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but this dish can be best be enjoyed with mustard oil. Mustard oil is the best option to cook leafy vegetables, and here I have used only half teaspoon of panch phoron. As the oil gets heated, I have added the panch phoron and sauteed them. It is best to cook leafy vegetables with minimum spices, as it helps to retain its original taste and color. So here I have used quarter spoon of red chili powder, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and along with salt. This amount of spices is enough to give you the original taste of leafy vegetables. First, I have sauteed the potato pieces, and after 2 or 3 minutes, I will add the leafy vegetable. To ensure that potato cooks well, I will put a lid, because when I cook the vegetable, I will not use cover. And keep it in mind that when you cook especially leafy vegetables, do not use the cover. Otherwise, the taste and the texture or color might be changed. When I am pretty sure that the potato gets cooked well or as I desire, then I will add the vegetable and mix them well. So this beautiful bowl of vegetable is ready at the side of our plate, and you can fill this empty space with your favorite roti, naan or rice, right? This bowl is full of nutrients, and believe me, if you try it once, then you will try it twice. So wishing all of you a good health. I will come again with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.